I'm Eric Klumperink. I'm the technical manager of project 6G-REFERENCE, and I'm an associate professor at Twente University. I would like to explain integrated sensing and communication as we work on it in 6G-REFERENCE, very hardware-oriented project, where we make full duplex radio transceiver hardware that can transmit and receive at the same time. And that's also something that you would like for radar functionality, where you would like to transmit a signal and then with the same hardware continuously receive the reflected signals to position the objects in your environment, for instance, to detect traffic or moving objects or robots in a factory hall scenario.